So this is our presser foot, and first we're gonna unravel it. Now we're gonna take the long plug from the presser foot, which looks like this, and we're gonna put it into our sewing machine. And then the second plug, we're gonna plug that into the wall. We're gonna turn it on. Now, the harder you press on the presser foot, that means the faster the sewing machine will go. And then here I'm demonstrating that, and that's what you're going to be doing right underneath the table. So let's put that underneath the table. Okay, so now you're ready to sew. So we're going to take a piece of fabric, and I'm just folding it in half. And then you're just going to sew on the edge of the fabric, like so. And then you need a back stitch, which is what you do with pressing that button. And then sew all the way down, and then at the end you need a back stitch again. So this is kind of like our knot, like when we're hand sewing, so none of it will come out. Then we can just cut that off with the razor on the side, and you're all done. Hopefully that was helpful.